watching Big Bennett TV. What is up, guys? I thought I would show you a new, pretty much a new member of the family, a new series. Let's just dive right into it. I bought an RSX. Yes, an RSX. 2003. Let's take a look at it. So pretty much, as you can see right off the bat, yeah, it's got some rust. A lot of rust. And it's got the donut on it. Pretty much what happened is, and this, yep, it's got crack in the headlight. So we're probably gonna fix that up. But this is the main concern. This fender is pretty much clapped. Yeah, that's all pushed back, and I can't even open the door because it's pinching. But yeah, the tires are pretty good, and the reason why, what happened to this is someone bought it and broke something. Like, you can see the wheel, that's not stanced, that's just jacked up. So that's gonna be a problem. And then when I try and open it up, it just not want to be open. But I mean, as for the body, real good shape. I mean, it's been in here for a little bit now, but that's just because I've been super busy with other stuff. It's got a little bit of wing stuff. That's no big deal. But I wanted to show you guys, I got all these good parts. Like, when I bought it, I was like, wow, I got all this good parts. And then I got home and I looked at it, and the guy that sold me, I didn't check any of this stuff out, okay? But what I checked out is the brakes. Yeah, he gave me used brake pads. So I was like, all right. Then this filter, I was like, oh, sweet, filter. And I mean, it's like he vacuumed the filter out. It's dirty, so I don't know what's going on. And I was like, oh, sweet. He gave me used engine oil. I have no clue why he would include used engine oil in a sale. And I didn't even open this stuff up. He said the rotors, yeah, the rotors, I think are, the rotors have been bought and left out in the sun. But this is the bad side, I'd say. It's got some rust, like, pretty much all the way through. Well, it is all the way through, but that's not a big deal. My main concern is right here. That's my main concern. Like, I can fit my hand in there. I mean, that's not super bad, but I mean, if you look here, you can barely see it. But yeah, that needs to be taken care of. Let's go inside, take a look at what's inside. It's got all this goodies. Oh yeah, that I'll probably show you guys how to fix that. Not professionally, but just to get by. But yeah, this right here, I mean, it's an M manual slap shift, and this guy was definitely a big smoker. I cleaned up some of the smoking stuff that he had in his car. Like, it was pretty dirty, but I mean, you can't go wrong for what it is. It's got, can't see how much it has in it, because the battery's probably dead, but it's all original. It's got the moonroof, and the back seats are pretty good shape. But yeah, I mean, as for the other issues, well, it's gonna be quite the journey. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna pop the hood and I'll show you what this beast has got under it. It's got your favorite motor. It's got every poor Honda boy's dream motor. The iVTEC 2.0 dual overhead cam. I mean, this is the K series motor. We're not in the late or the early 90s. Yeah, that's got like bungee cord, whatever. I don't know. I mean, for what it was, what it's gonna be, and all this. I mean, pretty much what I have plans for this is we're gonna fix the bodywork. We're gonna change out this fender. I'm gonna pull the wheel off and see how bad the damage is in behind the wheel. I haven't even looked at it yet, but judging by what it looks like right now, I don't know. I mean, we could probably make this look like a whole lot better if we just change this wheel out. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is I'm gonna change this wheel out. Alright, that was torque to spec with my breaker bar. I don't have a torque wrench on me, but I know that's that torque spec, or if not, even more torque, so that's good. But geez guys, doesn't that look like pretty much better already? Wow, I'm out of breath just doing that. But yeah, it looks better already. So pretty much what's going on with this channel is I'm gonna be pretty much doing some repairs on this. We'll do like a few things in the video, and yeah, we'll get this going to where we can bring it to like a famous car show. What kind of car shows do you guys want to see this in? I was thinking of like H2OI, but I know that after last year, like they're not going to be telling us where the location is. Oh shoot, guys, saw this. That's just from me jacking it up. Damn. Yeah, it looks like we got a lot of problems, guys. Pretty much, I'd say. Wow, and that's that side. And that's that side that we just put a tire on. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us, and we got to get some parts, because that fender is what we would say is clapped. But yeah, also guys, I wanted to say, like, there's a new the waiver doesn't even have anything on it. So let me know what you guys want to see me do. Like, do you want to see me, for example, nothing like retarded, like, oh, I want to see if your car will run on olive oil or something stupid like that. Like something cool, I guess. Like if you guys want to see me tint this back window, like I'm not planning on doing it, but if you want to see me tint this back window, I'll tint the back window, or I'll tint the side window if you want me to do that. Whatever you guys want to see me do. One thing I do have planned for this is I'd like to put underglow on it, because I got underglow in 2013 and I haven't used it yet. So I'll probably put the underglow on this car. I don't really know, guys. Let me know what you guys want me to do to this. Seriously, let me know what you want me to do to this. And when the RSX gets out of here, I'm actually going to change the lighting in here. So I already bought the lighting. It's gonna be strips. So I ordered 6 strips. So I think right here is gonna be a strip of 3, and then that one there is gonna be a strip of 3. And if it's not bright enough, which it should be bright enough. Oh shoot, I just noticed. Wow, sunroof might be leaking. I don't know. Pretty much don't know much. Oh yeah, also, these are Trisha's old rims for her Civic. So if you know anybody that would be interested in some multi 4-bolt pattern rims for a good price, the tires are in pretty good shape. So let me know. Hit me up in the messages. Maybe I could ship them out to you or whatever. Yeah, I feel like I'm rambling with this video, so I'm not gonna do that. I just wanted to show you guys, introduce you guys to the car. Let me know if it's a good idea. If you want me to see me do something else different, like, I don't know, cooking, gaming, whatever, let me know. But I think this would be good for a lot of you guys. Like, I think a lot of you guys would like RSXs, because RSXs are like the poor man's vehicle, so we'll do that. And also I noticed this, made in Japan, this sticker should not be removed, but only by the car owner. I don't know, I'll probably remove. Right now though guys, let me know, because like I said, I didn't shoot anything yet on what I'm gonna do this car. If you guys think that this is just a loss and I should just scrap it, let me know, I'll just scrap it then. But thanks for watching guys. Pretty much I hope, I don't know, I wish you guys would comment with more ideas. Thank you guys, stay good. Oh, and also, I ordered some stickers, quality stickers, like not the ones you would see, like, that everyone's putting up at like restaurants and stuff. I ordered some good stickers. They'll be available roughly 2 weeks. I'll let you guys know, and maybe I'll sign them or whatever and send them out to you. But if you like this video, like it. If you didn't like this video, I can understand. Just thumbs down. We'll see you guys in the next one. But please help me out. Help me help you by commenting what you want to see, because I'm pretty versatile. Thanks. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.